Hello guys, ang gagawin po natin ngayon, it's Photoshop logo using the shapes and pen tool. So first, punta tayo sa Photoshop, then open file. So ang gagawin natin, paper natin, it's international paper. So we have to select A4 size paper. So we'll have to rotate the image into 50, 90 counterclockwise. Then for ruler, so check natin yung rulers, drag natin sa gitna. So, drag natin sa gitna, sa rulers natin. And zoom in. So, click pen tool or press P, then point 1 here, then point sa ilalim. Then para ma-curve natin, point tayo sa gitna, sa ibabaw ng point. Then press Control, then push on your keyboard. Then point tayo dito, then press Control, then drag sa left. Then afterwards, you press Control T sa keyboard natin. Then you go to layer, new fill layer, solid color, and okay. So fill natin yung shape. So meron na tayong nagawa na shape na shield. So ngayon, gawin natin is duplicate natin yung shield, right click, then press duplicate sa layer, then press okay. And afterwards, meron na tayo. Then we have to click. Then, Control T natin. Drag natin yung pangalawang layer. So, Control T. Then, right click. Then, you have to flip it into horizontal. So, flip it horizontal. Then, you have to drag it to the right. Then, pagdikitin natin. Then, you press the check box. Then on this layer, so you have to press Control, then press the layers, then right click, merge layers. So pwede natin siyang pahabain na. Then so desired natin na shape. Okay, now we have to duplicate naman para meron tayong upper layer na same na shield. Then ang gagawin natin, i-change natin siya into white color. So, press then sa layer style, then color overlay, then we have to click the layer, and then we have to, this happens now is, we have to adjust now the layer, the shape now. So, makikita natin yung ilalim na, yung black. So, meron na siyang parang frame na. So, meron na tayong frame. So, ang gagawin natin naman, it's gagawa tayo ng box sa gitna. So, punta tayo sa shapes. So, we have the shape here, rectangular shape. Rectangular shape, we drag it. Then, we have to press Control T. Para ma-curve natin sa ibabaw, you have to click that. And on the left side, upper bob, so drag it. Then, you press the arc. Then, you have to slowly push it down. Slowly, slowly. Para makuha yung desired mo na curve. Slowly lang din. Kung satisfied ka na, you have to check. And afterwards, zoom in natin. So, gawa tayo ng parang ribbon na. So, using the pen tool, you have to press letter P, then point 1, drag it here. You have to, in dragging the point, you have to press Control, then you click the point, and point here. So, you have to adjust lang yung point. Pero you're using you have to press the Control button sa keyboard. Then, nakuha mo na yung desired na shape mo, you have to press Control Enter afterwards. Ipakuha mo na yung desired na shape para mag-connect na yung mga dots para meron na tayong marquee. So, gagawin natin yung marquee na shape niya. So, afterwards, meron na tayo ng ganyan. So, naka-Control T, then we go up to layer, new fill layer, solid color, then black. So, meron na tayong ribbon. Then, ang gagawin natin ulit is duplicate natin yan. So, ngayon, duplicate, you have to press Control J or jar pag mag-duplicate tayo. So, duplicate natin na yan, naka-duplicate. So, duplicate natin yung layer. Okay. Then, we have to drag it. Flip horizontal. Drag it to the left para meron na siyang pair or partner na yon. So, yan. Pantay na yung ribbon natin and lagay natin sa shield. So, meron na tayong shield and we have now the ribbon. Ang next na gagawin natin, it's gagawa tayo ng piston kasi ang gagawin natin na logo is Photoshop. So, piston yon. So, kumuha lang tayo ng shape, na square na shape, gawa lang tayo. Then, lagyan natin na sure na naka-shape layer. Naka-shape yon yung ating kuan. Then, the fill is, yung kuan is no style. Then, the color is black. Para sa black natin lahat yung gagawin natin na logo. Then, gawa tayo ulit ng rectangular shape, vertical na rectangular shape. Then, lagay natin sa gitna as there, the crankshaft. So, for now, gawa tayo ng shape na white para as horizontal shape siya. So, gagawin natin dyan, we have to change it. We have to change the color on that. So, gagawin natin white. So, punta tayo sa meron tayong white kasi nailalim lang yon. So, duplicate layer natin. So, drag pababa. Then, afterwards, shape tayo pero ang gagawin natin is elliptical na yung shape natin para gagawa tayo ng circle dyan sa gitna ng piston na ginagawa natin na clip. So, meron na tayong circle. So, we have to put it on the center na lang po. Yung circle natin. So, gawa tayo ulit. So, circle. Kasi nakasama yun sa layer. Magkaroon new layer na yung circle. Then, afterwards, may gagawa tayo ulit ng circle sa baba na part ng piston natin. So, we have to control J lang. Then, or Alt drag sa keyboard. You press Alt and drag it. So, meron na tayong black na circle. Changing to black color from white. So, layer style lang tayo. Then, you go to color overlay. So, meron tayo. Then, you have to drag it up, down. Then, meron tayong circle. So, ang next gagawin natin ngayon is gagawa tayo ng text na sa gitna. So, ang gagawin natin text is just Photoshop. You have to press letter T on your keyboard or press T sa tool natin. Then, you have to type Photoshop. Okay. So, makita natin. Be sure na ma-check yon. Then, you have to press V for you have to move the move tool para makikita natin yung transform controls. Ang transform controls po natin yan po, yung mga points sa gilid. So, para ma-drag natin. So, ang gagawin ulit natin ngayon, it's atin siyang i-curve na sabay sa, so, click natin yung arc, then control T yun, then baba natin, then, ganyan. So, meron tayong text na Photoshop. So, yan po. So, yan. Tapos na po tayo sa ating simple na logo. Using the Photoshop, we have a shield and we have the pistons. Ang elements po natin, we have text, the pistons, the shield. So, ginawa natin. So, you can adjust this one. So, meron tayong pistons na shapes. To save our logo, kindly file, pick file, then save. We will save it into PSD. So, every time for the Photoshop, so PSD po yung file extension natin. So, you have to save it in your desired folder. So, ang file extension po natin is PSD. So, to file for a PNG, so we have to click but for PNG, but we have to delete first to remove the eye on the background so that transparent yung logo natin. Then, save as natin. Save as PNG na. So, drop down natin yung PNG. Then, you have to click save and save it to your desired folder. And that's all. Thank you for watching, guys.